In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Trello cards together. If you're using Trello to organize your tasks, you know how important it is to keep everything connected and easy to access. Linking cards within a Trello board can save you time, streamline your workflow, and help your team stay on the same page. Whether you're managing a team project, planning a personal goal, or simply keeping track of tasks, this feature is incredibly useful. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process, so you can master linking Trello cards like a pro. First, start by logging into Trello through your web browser. Once you're in, open the specific board where you want to create linked cards. This is where all the action happens, so make sure you've selected the right board for your workflow. Next, locate and click on the card that will act as the home card. This is the card where you want to store the link. Once you've selected it, click to open its details view. This is where you'll later paste the link and organize everything. Now it's time to find the card you want to link to. Let's call this the target card. Open the target card in the same way by clicking into it. Once you're in the details view of the target card, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. After clicking Share, you'll see an option to copy link. Select this, and the unique URL of the target card will be copied to your clipboard. This URL is what we'll use to create the connection between the two cards. Once you've copied the link, head back to the home card. Now it's time to decide where the link fits best within your workflow. You have a few options here. You can paste the link directly into the description section if you want it to be a permanent reference. This is great for keeping important connections easily visible. Alternatively, you can paste it as a comment. This is useful if you want to notify your teammates or include the link as part of an ongoing discussion. Finally, you can add the link as an attachment. This option creates a clean and clickable preview of the linked card. Choose the method that works best for your situation and paste the link accordingly. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check permissions. If anyone on your team can't access the linked card, you may need to adjust the card's visibility or permissions. Make sure everyone who needs access is able to view the link without interruptions. If you need to link multiple cards to the same home card, here's a simple trick. Add a checklist to the home card. Once the checklist is in place, paste each card's link as a separate checklist item. This keeps everything neat and organized. You can also reorder the checklist items to match the sequence of tasks or priorities in your workflow. As your team progresses, you can check off each item as it's completed, giving you a clear view of what's been done and what's left to do. Finally, if you're looking to save even more time, consider using Trello's Butler automation tool. With Butler, you can set up rules that automatically add links to specific cards based on triggers. For example, you can create a rule to link cards whenever certain labels are applied or when a card is moved to a specific list. This step isn't required, but it can be a powerful way to automate repetitive tasks and keep your board running smoothly. And that's it. You've just learned how to link Trello cards together effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.